Big blood clot, big bitch. You came to the big bitch. I'm the biggest bitch you've seen thus far. Me. I go and do a easy off, man. What I ease off. Move, man. Don't come over here, sir, brother. We don't want your energy over here, sir. Exactly what I said to you. You walk with and I say like, what that for the man, everybody around where I look. Remember, me not afraid my badness not leaving at my house. Me walk with it. Me walk with my badness, bad man. Me not left in my house. Me walk with it everywhere, every state, pussy. Remember that. When me ease you off, you run go find lava again. Lava run come stand up next to me. Me ease you off again. You go over there complain to G-Man. When me look, G-Man, movement, see no brother. Brother, have to stop all conversation and keep it moving because we gotta go. We don't deal with you. So what you saying now? What happened now? That is it, brother. I want ease off, couple ease off, move from here, so this year up 2 times. I'm not, I'm so, oh, you're so bad on social media, not nice. I'm not one of these bitches out here that y'all niggas can see and run up on and kick up and box up. You know this. The world know this. It's gonna be a problem. The type of vagina that I have, I will fuck a madman. Me know too much bad madman. Me fuck and wine and say kill everybody dead all the ants in the yard. You make threat, but Jamaica pussy. Careful. Careful. Badness come with money where you not have. Me know me have that. Me know me have that. Careful with what you're saying. You get this shit fucked up all the goddamn time. You're the richest man on Instagram. Remember say I mean name you say no. This is what I don't like. And this is what I don't like men, and I don't go for men who like woman things. Cause you see when you like woman things, are them things you reach, you know. Like how the girl could have leak your face in her pussy. Because when you like likes and you feel like say on the hype and you want to spend people money and there's no consequences. Batty boy, y'all worry about the wrong thing. Stop worrying about go around this, mommy. Go drive the car around this. Stop worrying about the wrong things. Not nice. Right now, let's talk about your present right now. Because I don't know who y'all talking about in y'all stories. Because on the well want to make YouTube, me not do nothing for do go make YouTube. No matter how much on try to be Dora all around the corner, on still cannot be Dora. It is one Dora. So and when y'all get people tag you in and tag all these and tag this person, make sure the motherfuckers look better than me from way back when till now. Because I'm a bitch, I keep myself up the par. Make sure the motherfuckers did look better than me and do look better than me. No. Because y'all describing some other bitch named Dora. Y'all describing the Mexican Dora, not the Jamaican Dora. I'm Jamaican. Y'all got the wrong Dora. Back to Uno. And on the lifestyle I wanna have. Not nice. Oh the fuck you feel like you can toe-to-toe with me. Remember, say me is not one of them. I am that bitch. I am the bitch. I will always be that bitch. You can never come back and chat and laugh. You know, sister, why can't I come back? You know, sister, why can't I come back, brother? Why can't I come back and do it easy and we all accept him? We forgive him. We forgave Walk and Talk. And Nikki gave the talk so he could come back. She forgive him too. We're not forgiving you. You can come back. Boo-hoo-hoo. You can come back. Which part of me you are going to see and do something to it? Yeah, the chicken breast them, man. The girl pussy fat, man. I look like a wax it kind of a ear bump. It's smooth, mama. If you listen to, you have a fat piece of pussy and it well smooth. I look like he must enjoy it and grip on by your click and left the rest of the pussy in the back. So you know once mama leg of that and move the phone, him just go rip up in the body and swipe. Clap. When me walk into a party, they see a boss ass bitch. Them see a badass bitch. And I ain't got no motherfucking cosmetic surgery done, pussy. I attract real niggas. You can't even walk in the blood clot sneakers on man with my man wear. You hear that? You're somebody with me with a look pan. When me walk in a one party, I demand your attention without saying a word. And me and him, without saying a word, my confidence sure, brother. My confidence show, me full of myself, no blood clot. Me no see the girl or the boy we can bring me down. I am that bitch, nigga. So how you piss a tear, piss a bed, not nice, a piss bed. Well, walk and rape people, pitney, girl pitney. That's why you try deal with woman. So remember, say Ashley pretty, you know, where they are Brooklyn, or fuck you are your blood clot girl, fuck her off and rape her, you know. A jail uno for there, you know. A jail uno for there. Una rapist. Every time you go, you don't have to wear white. Every time you go out, you make white look dirty. Every time you see a white, me wish you have a bucket of bleach and some soap water so you just throw up on you so your skin and the blood clot white change to white. You make white look nasty, no blood clot. Oh, you pop so much shit. But you now walk around yourself as known rapists. You're a rapist. Turn in yourself. I threaten the girl. Threaten the blood clot girl. I'm gonna talk with water in my mouth. Pussy. Remember you're rapist. Alright, go. Remember social media not delete nothing. Me must can't find back them video that when Ashley company something I cry say, yeah, you girl rape her. On a rape her, but on a want 3 blood clots some right now. I'm upset. Me see ya call me can't answer you. Suck pussy not nice. Batty boy. Nyam ass not nice. We don't want you back on chat and laugh. Go and turn in yourself for the rape where you commit. The rape where you rape the little girl. Yeah, woman. Go and deal with that. Go and deal with that. Remember, it was on fucking social media. The little girl come on fucking Facebook a boss on a rape her. Remember, blood clot good. And me will find that and I will post it. Remember, you is a walking rapist, a walk around in a dance. Remember good. Remember good, not nice. Remember good. Ashley, remember the night. And uno go do over and rape her. A rape she come ball the next day on Facebook. Come make we talk, not nice. You breed one of my friend them baby mother at Brooklyn and she lock you up because she find out say, I the head did sweetheart. The head how when me get mad, me pick things up and put it down. Him can't pay a suku did a feed him the whole time I only see him and chat and laugh. Till him start one go get blood clot Jamaica. Then this makes sense? You're picking them need charity at Jamaica. Right? And you are the charity for other man pitney. Then all you feel live good. Eh? Every suck, you see when we see something come up, we see you go suck a pussy, you go buy a look a red bottom. You walk around the blood clot anniversary the whole time you staring at my face and me I look at you like catch you. Cause me not look at you if you ever whoop me about. Me fix you right the fuck there. Me fix it. Go around this, mommy cursing. Go around there. You cursing? Yeah, I'm cursing them out. We're gonna beat them up later. Go ahead. Go. Do we go again? I call please. Yeah. Yes, that's remember you're American, you can't do that. Back to you, Nam Jice. You're a messy mouth man. You are a messy mouth man. Remember the same people them where you call for, the same people them where you usually done every day. Me don't know how to play the game, you know. When you're ready, you rub out the girl and talk big things about the girl. And when people are rub you out on social media, she reach for. But yes, the truth, she don't really know better. Me can only see with her. You understand? You always have to go backwards in life. You never go forward. From me know you can't reach a milestone yet. You're still homeless. Come back to talk about the look of woman where did have a jersey sitting down in the couch where Sweeney said the blood clot assistant living curtain over your head. And you that cost the people them and show them room with shoes. Can you show the room with shoes? No. The woman got rid of you not nice. She tired of your braces, them a bite up her blood clot click. She tired every time she turn on the Instagram, she say, yeah, suck her next pussy. She tired of you. The woman run go Florida, you talk about say, oh, that day, oh, me have my money, and me have this, and me have that, and oh, me borrow $5,000 from Biggie to put on per house. Move your nasty warra blood clot. You go to Florida, each up next to JB, and JB tired of your bumble. You sleep out JB coach till your body print in a batty man. You are the richest thing on Instagram, but you sleep on man blood clot coach. Every time JB go out and buy the liquor, here comes so good, not nice. Pick up champagne and I walk off with it, I put it in head like I in blood clad by. Drink water, that is what your pocket desire. Water packets. Or you reach a champagne. Or the blood clot, you reach a champagne and a water packet, your blood clot have. Here, rather me who or rather me there, water packet him have. You walk down there, you follow behind the man, you come on social media, you ball out, say you have blood clot, jabba give it. You don't know how to read and write. You go and put a different word from the word where was supposed to be there to announce the man something. Cause your blood clot enough dunce back. Eh? You're dunce. You reach down there, the man of the holy medium, no Jesus Christ, or what is now? What happened? Where the woman there? The woman lock up your blood clot on a Florida and put out your pussy hole and get a restraining order for you right now. Right now! You have a restraining order for your shit. Tired of you? Tired of you. How is that doing? Ball. Move your blood clot. She tired of you. Come. Cause unana business. Make we talk so good. The woman gone now. He make the woman where you did marriage to for 13 years at Jersey dig daughter them and the picnic them eat you. And them should be out them eat you. Let me tell you I'm fool pussy all. Let me tell you I'm fool people. This pussy I get the chance finally nice up the woman at Jersey, you know, and go get him work permit and him social. You see when him get that, boom! Him feel like him get papers. Run down to Florida, pop style with gal and find gal and go breed next gal again. The woman pitney them say not a blood clot. No papers for your pussy. You're out of order. Nothing you get. You married for blood clot 13 years. And no papers for you. Because you try. Oh, me my papers. Oh, I have work permit. We're not nice to do a Brooklyn. Uber. Then me could have sit down in a foreign and no papers and just get mine and Uber me one blood clot job. Me can go to a trade school, go learn mechanics and go do a blood clot construction or something with me big back. He said, Gwen, no, allow me. Wouldn't a non-ambition blood clot. What do you know about me? Come back with talk. So who are you in a business? And wherever I try help you over there. When me and me there by here, I want to fuck it there and can read. When you look, so why you in a money argument? Hear me, you know, not thank you, Father Jesus. I know me that forgot put on a stop on that. Nice, my 2 grand, and my 2 grand, I go say na Jesus. I'm glad to Suko get it instead of me, you know. Cause right now, I'm going Suko somebody and I don't know what be a Suko weather. And then when him go Suko him there, I have my money, then give Suko back his money. Give him back his money. You have your blood clot, but give it back. Give Suko his money, get back his money yet? Did he get back his money yet? Come make we reason. Come make we reason. Remember that the day where you get mad and swing for fix up your blood clot? I'm gonna post it on my page. Remember the voice note them and the thing them where you say about you want to kill Sweeney. But little do you know, Sweeney come from a cantankerous family from South. So you would have tried half of them family and them would have just brush your food. Come back with that. Remember say Sweeney father was a Dan. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Come on to go again. You this again, I promise people death. You this again, I promise people death. There